So are you looking for a luxury apartment in Providence, Rhode Island? Something close to Providence College, with easy access to downtown Providence, or a short drive from Providence's east side. So I think we have found your apartment. This luxury apartment features amazing ceiling height, hardwood floors throughout, tile in the kitchen, and panoramic views of downtown Providence. This kitchen features a double oven, stainless steel appliances, plenty of counter space, a 12-foot island, perfect for entertaining with friends and family. This luxury apartment's bathroom features a double vanity, soaking tub, and steam shower. And a primary bedroom with space for not only one bed, but two beds. Your very own fireplace and more closet space than you could ever imagine. So if you're looking to live in Providence, Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.